Hi everybody, I'm Kirsten Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, we are going to show you how to use a brand new product called Cat Eyes. We're not going to make cat's eyes. However, we've done videos on eyes before.
Dragon eyes.
We've done dragon eyes.
And the awful
we've
human
done
eye.
the human spinny hypnotic eye.
Oh yeah, that was horrible.
But this is a really cool product. It's really easy to use and it's great for salon. So let's get started. So I've already created a nail. This is made out of acrylic, believe it or not, my favourite thing in the whole world, apart from my kids. And we're going to use the new product. So this is what it looks like. There are 10 colours in total. I'm using this colour today, Steampunk. And if you look at it, it just looks like a shimmery product. So it just looks like a shimmery gel polish. And it's not just a shimmery gel polish. There is magic in this here bottle. I'm going to do one coat first of all. And I'm not going to do anything with that coat apart from cure it. It's the second layer that will have the design on. Now you can use a black base layer if you want it to appear a little bit darker. So you could use Serious Black. We have done that in another video where we did like a Northern Lights design. So you can always check that out. But for this one, I just purely want to show you what this product's about because there may be people out there that really don't know what this product does. I'm going to pop that into the lamp and cure that. So now I'm going to go on with the second coat. I'm going to go directly on top of what we've already done, making sure I cap the edge because this is gel. And what this gel has in it is it has metal particles. So we're going to use a magnet now. We have two different types of magnets. This is the magnet I'm going to use today. And we're going to place that over it and hold it. And look at that. Did you see that? And what you want to do is hold it as close as you can without touching the nail. Nice and steady. And it will draw up those metal particles, and as you sort of rotate the nail it kind of shifts. And then if you think, oh no, I don't actually like it there, I want to do it in the other direction, just pull your brush back through the product and disturb those metal particles. So if we want to go this way, I'm going to hold, and you can do it the other way.
So is it pushing
It's
or pulling?
Pulling.
Right.
It's pulling.
So the metal particles are the lighter colour.
Yeah, so the metal particles draw in those gold. The magnet draws in those gold particles and brings it up to the line. But then we also have this tool, which is a magnetic pen that you can do little lines with. Let me disturb this again so you can see properly. It's like magic. What sorcery is this? So you can create little patterns like that. This one has a flower one, but we have a whole tutorial on this one. But today, what I want to do is just show you that true cat eye just by using the paddle plate. So that paddle magnet So I'm just going to disturb those particles again. And obviously you could do it straight as well. It depends what angle you want. But I want to go at a nice diagonal angle. I'm going to make sure I'm holding it as close as I can. I love that. That is so cool.
It's just very subtle.
Yeah. That's where I wanted it. Look at that. You can go, woo, move it everywhere. Sorry, I'm just playing too much here. Let me just disturb that again so I can actually do it.
9 hours later.
I will stop messing
30 cards.
about.
Just be like a really built up now.
Right, here we go again.
Head.
I love it. I love it. Pop it into the lamp. So as you pop it into the lamp, that's going to cure it, which means it'll set that sort of sharp line that we've drawn into it will stay there. It won't move. If you didn't put it in the lamp straight away and you sat there chatting for a few minutes, those particles would start to settle and soften ever so slightly. So you can see it's still there. And what I'm going to do now is top coat it. So this is just going to seal everything in. It's going to make it nice and shiny. This is a tack-free top coat. I'm going to sweep around the edges of this stiletto. And what we're doing by that is sort of shrink wrapping that gel polish, which will hold everything on and make it last longer. So, pop me that in the lamp. So what I'm going to do now is finish off by putting a few little stones on, because obviously we need a bit of bling, because my middle name is Bling Bling. Jane Jane. So I am going to put this stone on, which I love. Yeah, and then I'm going to put some gold and some purple on as well. So I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of cuticle oil. There you are.
It's very subtle. You only see it on certain angles.
Yeah, like you can't see it there. It's like when you rotate it, it's as if it moves along the nail as well. I love it. So there you are, guys. That's how to use Cat Eyes gel polish. Really easy, really simple. Like some people, we know. Everything I've used today will be listed below in the description box, as it always is. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. You gotta subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty McKean from Neo Nails. Do you want me to start again so you can record it?
Yeah. Literally like burst in.
So,
I was like, she's done
There's
this
no-
before.
We don't stand in ceremony here. It's just
5,
boom, boom.
4.